Hello guys, today I'm showing you one tool. Its name is cupp. Okay, it's very powerful tool guys. In the cyber security it will use for the brute force. Okay, so first go to Google, search cupp tool and click the first one. Okay, you can see here. Okay, copy this code guys. It's very powerful tool. You can see the star also, the 4.2. It's very powerful tool. And after that go to a terminal and first make your terminal update and upgrade. Okay, update and upgrade. After that, making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to clone the tool by typing get clone in up. Okay, I already installed this one guys. That's what it's showing for my like this. After that, cd for the chain directory and cupp in c. For that, make ls, clear the terminal. Okay, after that make ls, and you have to install the Python 3 language guys, because this tool will run in the Python 3. You have to install the Python 3 by typing apt install Python 3. Okay, and press enter. It will install the Python 3. After installing Python 3, you have to type Python 3, okay, -i. Okay, see guys, now you can use, for example, I'm using the different name, so this video is only for education purpose guys. For example, I will use my name, example Mark, and surname anything else, just nickname anything, birth of date anything. I'm showing only for the, for example I'm showing this one. You can put anything. Okay, birth date anything, again anything, and partner name anything. Some people will put in the partner name also. It's used for the brute force guys. Hacking is illegal, so be safe. And children's name and nickname. Okay, the children's birth date. Okay, in the year desert. And pet name, you can put pet name anything. Company name, some people use in company name also, so yes, you can type you can type yes also, you can type no also. For I'm using in, okay, default is n. You have to type yes, category yes, okay, yes. You can see the print now. See guys, you can use for this for the brute force. So in the cyber security we will use for this tool for the brute force. Okay, so this video is only for education purpose guys. If you want a full practical video of this tool, in the next video I will show you. So thanks for watching.